Hi there everybody, it's Little Debs here from How It Fell, and I've got an exciting collaboration project to bring to you today. We've teamed up with Women's Business Station Scotland, who are doing a launch campaign of a Bauble of Hope, which is an aid of help for kids, where you'll be able to purchase a craft kit, like this one here, to send a message of hope to a loved one this year. You can also choose to donate a kit so that it can be gifted to another child in the community with the help for kids. This provides them the opportunity to complete the kit and gift it to someone special. Also, I thought it might be fun to actually show you how to do one of these kits today, so that's what we're going to be doing. I hope you're ready and you've got your kit ready to go. Okay, let's do this. So you've got your pack here that has everything you need to make your beautiful Bauble of Hope. And let's do some movie magic to make this happen, don't we? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Huh. I got fuzzy fingers, so sometimes this doesn't always work. Right, let's try that again. Right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. So, as part of your beautiful packs that you have, you're going to be getting some little instructions and a list of everything you're going to need. Some beautiful colour swab magic markers. Oh, of course your Bauble. It's got some nice red confetti in it as well. And a choice of message cards to put your message of hope in. So we've got a reindeer, we've got a Santa, we've got a snowman, and a Christmas tree. And all you will need from home is a pair of scissors to be able to cut everything out. So I think we might go for a tree guy. Let's go for Mr. Tree. Get these guys out of the way. And I'll maybe put the Bauble here just so it doesn't roll about. And here's your instructions, just so you can see them as well. And there's all the proudly sponsors as well, so you can see them. Awesome. So, let's do some magic marker pens. Oh, for our Christmas tree. These are quite cool actually. So, you're going to need this pen for afterwards. So I think if we're going to do a Christmas tree, we are going to do him green. So the colour that's on the pen like this is going to be what colour the magic marker is going to change it. So let's colour in our Christmas tree. Okay, and that's my Christmas tree done. And then I'm going to let it dry a little bit. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Let it dry off a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to get my magic marker and I'm going to go over the colours to help it start changing into its beautiful other colours. Oh wow, isn't that nice? Oh. Oh, Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Anyway, so, and then on the back of all your little cards, you also get to put your beautiful message of hope. So who could we send a message of hope to? Maybe it could be someone who's feeling a bit lonely. Maybe it's another friend or a kid you know. Maybe it's your granny. Maybe it's someone you know, maybe in sheltered housing. Maybe it's somebody from a support group you know, or maybe another business, or even some family members and friends. Someone that you think could use a little bit of hope and joy this year. I think what I might do is I'm going to send it to somewhere very special. I think I'm going to some hearts. Mwah, mwah. Cool. And then you just cut it out. Following the dotted line. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? And now you got to put it in your bauble. So here's your bauble filled with all its loveliness, and then basically you give it a little squeeze and a pop and it comes open like that. And basically this is you to use as you like for some decoration or confetti. And then you're going to place this inside. Ooh, need to watch though, it's roly-poly. And we're going to put this inside, like so, like that. And then you would just pop this back on, and you can even decorate it in different ways if you need to, like so. But I think mine's is missing quite a few things as well, so I think I might put a beautiful ribbon on mine as well. What do you guys think? Should we do that? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, and there's my beautiful bauble of hope with its ribbon and my lovely message inside. And there you are. That's how you make one.